Hi, today I'm going to walk you through how to add somebody to KFS Web and to the UM dashboard security. So after logging into Quality Financial System, KFS, I'll be brought to this main page here. And at the bottom is the access request. And I'm going to click on the KFS Access Security Form, the second one here. After it loads, I'm going to enter my description. In this demo, I'm going to be adding Rob Breiber, the Dean of Engineering, so that he can access various reports in KFS Web, like the KFS 090 account overview and the UM dashboards that are restricted by KFS access. So I click here, I'm going to add in Dean access to engineering. I'm not going to add in an explanation. And from here, I'm going to click on the search. And I'm going to go down here and search for Breiber. And once it returns, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to Robert Breiber, click on return value. It'll refresh the page. And the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new organization. So if you don't know the organization code, same thing, you can hover on the search button. When that loads, the trick is with this is to be able to choose the drop down, and for him I'm going to look for division. If I just click on division and hit search, it's going to give me every division available in KFS. I know that the A. James Clark School of Engineering is division 32, and I can click return value and it'll flow back into the sheet here. I have to make sure that my O1 chart code is chosen for College Park, and then I click add. From there I can see that it's been added, division 32. I can verify that I've read the statement of understanding. The important thing to notice, if I hit save on the dock, it will reload and you can check your route log, and I can see the future action requests by displaying these as well. When it loads, I can see that it's going to be routed to Trina Tanner. So now if I wanted to say routed to the college business officer or to somebody inside the dean's office or wherever, whatever the division level approval access is, I can go ahead and do that by ad hocing the recipient. And in this example, I'm going to use Maureen Meyer, and I'm going to hit add. From there, I'm going to save just one more time, and then I'm going to double check my form, make sure I have Maureen in there, make sure I'm requesting Rob, make sure it's division 32, and then I'm going to submit. And that's how you're going to add somebody at the division level.